Hi everyone, I'm Daniela and welcome to Black Cat Kitchen. Today we're making a French country salad. A French country salad is greens, beans, beets, and goat's cheese, and a gorgeous creamy balsamic vinaigrette. There are a few different components to the salad, so let's jump into the recipe.
You'll find a list of ingredients in the description below. To a non-stick pan, add 6 tablespoons or 75 grams of brown sugar. We're just going to spread it around so it covers the bottom of the pan. To this, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of water just to help start that melting process. We're going to turn this to medium-high heat until the brown sugar starts to melt and get bubbly. Once it starts to bubble like this, quickly add in 2 cups or 250 grams of pecans. Give those a good stir for about 2 minutes until the pecans are completely coated in your caramelly syrup. When these have just about absorbed all of that sauce, we're going to give them a light sprinkling of sea salt. One more quick stir, and then we're going to pour them onto a tray lined with parchment paper. I like to try and keep these as separate as possible so that they break apart really easily when they cool. And be careful not to touch them, the sugar is very hot. Trim off the ends of a handful of fine green beans. I'm using about 200 grams. Plunge your beans into a pot of boiling water. While the beans are cooking, prepare a bowl full of water and ice. Once your beans are beautiful and vibrant green, transfer them into your ice bath. This makes sure the green beans stay vibrant and have a nice bite. If you do skip this step, your beans will become mushy and they won't have a nice texture in your salad. Chop 2 cups or 200 grams of cooked beetroot into bite-sized pieces. To prepare our dressing, we're going to start by pouring 3 tablespoons or 45 milliliters of olive oil into a Kilner jar. In goes 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters of a good quality balsamic vinegar. If you're on a budget and don't want to splash out for that expensive balsamic, you can grab a cheaper version and just add in a teaspoon of honey. Into our jar goes a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, followed by a pinch of salt and a nice fresh crack of black pepper. Pop your lid on your Kilner jar and give it a shake, and you'll have beautiful, creamy balsamic vinaigrette every single time. Separate your nuts so that you have individual pieces. This recipe makes too many nuts for this salad, but they're a great snack. They keep for up to 3 days in the fridge and 3 months in the freezer. To a large bowl, add your salad greens. I'm using 110 grams of baby leaf salad, about 4 cups, our blanched beans, our chopped beets, and a couple sprinkles of our nuts. Now pour your creamy dressing all over the top and give it a good toss. You could leave it here and your salad would be completely vegan, but I like to top mine with some soft goat cheese, about 150 grams. Now that's a salad dressed to impress.
I hope you love this salad as much as I do. It's so impressive, it's sure to please any guest. And if you want a fancy Italian salad, try this one here. And make sure to hit that subscribe button here. Let me know down below what your favorite salad is. See you next time.